I think you and I had discussed this idea of the collapsing data center. Like, what is the collapsing data center? How does that fit into file transfer?
Right. This is sort of where a lot of the challenges arise from. So if you think about enterprises would normally have a number of different smaller data centers located across a country or across whatever countries they operate in. But of course, having a lot of small data centers results in overspend on CapEx. They're not as efficient. It requires more people to support them. It requires WAN connections to network them all together. And so enterprises have determined that it's far more efficient that I reduce the number of smaller data centers that I have and build a smaller number of larger data centers. And while they gain some efficiencies from a CapEx perspective, they also run the risk of degrading the user experience, because now a data center or one branch office that might have been close to a data center now becomes located quite far from a geographic perspective, and the latencies from a networking perspective have now crept up. And the latency is what can kill application performance. And so and now whether they're using a hosted desktop or they have applications running in the branch that need to connect back into the data center, the performance degrades, the end users are unhappy, and that obviously results in they don't realize the benefits of the reduced number of data centers. And so this is where traditional WAN optimization solutions come in to mitigate the effects of caused by latency or potentially by congestion on those WAN links, is to enable them to work at the highest possible throughput as possible without having to go to larger capacity links, so to speak.